What's going on, guys? It's your boy Alex back from Royal Street Krew. Today we are doing a video on my new rig. You may have seen teasers of it on Instagram or the Facebook story. I did post a little teaser clip on the Facebook, but this is it. I'll show you now. It is a 2009 FG Xr6 Turbo Ute in black velvet. I just got some new wheels for it the other day. I'll post a photo of what the old wheels look like here. And these are the new fits. They're Xr6 08s. I believe they're 19 by 10.5 plus 15, with some 305 tyres on there, so they can quite meaty. Got some Nitto Invos on the front, and the fronts fit up nice and well. They're a 9.5 plus 15, just with some Nexons, and they are in matte bronze. So this car I've been chasing for quite a while, as I did sell my NA. I'll show you under the bonnet now. Not stock, as you may be able to see. It's powered by a Borg-Warner SXE 372. It's got 90% of the motor is forged. The only thing that is stock is the rods and pistons, but we are doing a bottom end on that soon. It's obviously got the battery relocation, 4-inch intake, everything on its custom catch can setup, custom cooler piping. You name it, this car's got it. Yeah, so this is the new rig. It is externally gated, a 60mm external gate tucked down behind there, with a 4-inch dump and full system, and a snazzy nice big front mount. Yes, so the engine's got atomic oil pump gears, atomic head studs, atomic valve springs, atomic timing chain, the sprockets, the cam gears. It's just got about everything you need. I've just got a microphone running up here, which I'll include a clip of at the end of this, so you can hear what it sounds like. It's got a full 3.5-inch system to the back with Reaper tips, the Reaper engineering tips. So they look quite the goods. The car was built by AMC Performance, and it was tuned by Precision. But yeah, I'll get a quick interior shot as well. Everything to be changed up on this car as well. It's got all the trims done in velvet as well. It's got a Hurst billet short shifter with obviously the shifter on it there. All these trims as well are velvet as well. And it's got the triple gauge setup in there at the moment. I am getting some more gauges for here though, which will be wideband and everything like that. And I'll be adding a few of my my own touches to make it mine, which I've already done with the wheels. Assuming it's got some Brembos on it as well. Brembos and upgraded F6 rear brakes. So yeah, this is my new rig. It makes 520 kilowatt at 21 psi on E85, and then it's got boost by gear and everything like that. It's going back to the tuner's tune soon to get rolling anti-lag and all that sort of stuff sorted. But for now, I'm just driving it, just around, you know, enjoying it as it is. So yeah, this is the new channel rig. This is what you'll be seeing from now on instead of the shitty NA Falcon. So yeah, I'm really happy with it. The turbo is really aggressive. I'll include some clips just after I finish talking about it. I've got a few reactions. I'm going to do a whole video on reactions soon, but I'll just include a couple of teaser clips just so you can see what you're in for. The turbo is very aggressive. Borg-Warner makes an aggressive turbo. It's nothing, and then it just hits you all at once. So it's also got the TR60 is factory, but it's got a Mantic 3200 twin plate clutch in it. It's got a 1000 horsepower Hardy Spicer tail shaft in it. It's got a True Track Diff 373 gears LSD with billet axles and axle ends. So it's got a 6 boost manifold as well. Like no money has been spared on this car. It's also got the color match rocker cover. So yeah, it's had all the dollars spent on it, all custom cooler piping and stuff. Again, all done by AMC on the side. Yeah, that's mainly about it. Stuff that I want to do in the near future. I would like to get some Mark II headlights, change the grille, and for interior wise, I'd like to get some GTP seats and get them trimmed in Alcantara. Possibly get a Mark II screen because that one looks just a little bit ugly. What else? I just got the new rims, so I've been eating them. It's got upgraded F6 rear brakes as well, with dual rotors. Yeah, so it's got pretty much everything I need on it at the moment. But just as we go along, there'll be slight modifications and touches to really make it mine. But this will be at Roll Racing on the 21st. Yeah, so there's plenty of videos to come with this, along with Brandon's MPS being finished and the AU being finished. So all the cars will be at Roll Racing, they'll be at Eastern Creek, at Power Cruise, all that good stuff. So there's plenty of amazing content to come with this. I'll roll into some clips now of some boosting clips and an engine bay clip with the mic. So stay tuned until then, and then we'll pick it back after all the clips are done.
If you know this tunnel, you know that you have to do a pull through the tunnel. I'm not ready for it to be this loud, eh? Oh my god! Is that it?
Yeah.
Whoa! That's insane!
Alright guys, so we are in our second day in the ute, and we're going to take some people for some spins. You might not be able to see me because the sun's in the way, but this is Cara, my girlfriend, and this is her first time going in it, so she is going to get a reaction. What are you expecting?
Do you have a diagnosing tool?
Yes. What are you expecting?
My double chin to come out. I like.
Alright, so as you would have seen, those clips are pretty crazy. It sounds stupid loud, but it sounds amazing. That screamer is no joke. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. It is pretty hidden. If you can, that's the screamer just there, coming off the gate. It is sort of hidden. Obviously you can see it right there if you're looking, but that is no issue. Yeah, so as you would have seen by the clips, this car is no joke. It's very quick for the street. That's why I've got some big meat on the back. But yeah, it sounds amazing. It goes really good. It's just everything I've ever dreamed about in a car. So you're going to be seeing lots of it on the channel. A lot of driving, cruising videos and stuff like that when we get out. With some of the boys. So yeah, that's going to be mostly it for this video. But stay tuned. We are almost finished Brandon's MPS, so that should be at the tuner within a week or two. And leave your comments down below of what you think power wise that's going to make. Also the AU's getting done, new video coming out on that next weekend. I'll put the gearbox in and finalising the fuel system. So make sure you leave your comments, ideas, what you want to see next. Make sure you like and subscribe, and remember, RSK's a family, spread the word.